Hi guys, this is Alex Ray. Doing a bike check video. What's his name? No. I'm doing a bike check video on my Subrosa Altus BMX bike. Pretty epic bike. It's got grips. The grips are kind of used. They're worn out. Shadow bar ends and shadow grips. I don't know, shadow something. It's on both sides. Don't remember. Wait, I'm gonna check what the brakes are. So it's ramp brakes. Okay. It goes for back brakes. There, the ramp. We got red, kind of dark is red Subrosa handlebars, and the same red color, Subrosa fork. So you guys can see, got round rims and tires on. 20 by 2.2 street tires. Same on the back. Let's see. Let's turn the bike around. Fuck. Shit! Okay, so. Shit. Sorry for that. I turned the bike around. It got some stickers on it. I didn't put them. You got Subrosa seat with a sticker on it. I did not put it. I did not put it on. You got matte black Subrosa Altus frame. It's 19.5. So you can see, if you guys can see. Oh yeah, shadow. Wait. Shadow nylon push-in bar ends and shadow finger banger grips. Okay, that was it. We got Subrosa shield sprocket. Forged 3 PC 170 millimeter steel crank with loose American BB. So you can see the cranks. As you can see on that side, it's kind of like curved in, so it's less metal used. It will cause less weight. Shit, low battery. We got lentils. There's gold. I just got them from my friend. Chain. It's Taya 410 chain. Ramp stem. Let's see. Ramp RI front load stem. That's what it is. And yeah, Subrosa seat. The seat. Seat clamp. You got seat clamp. It is slim style alloy, and seat post is Shadow Solus 1 PC. No. And yeah, that's basically it for the bike. I'm just gonna check if I have. Oh, pedals. plastic platform shadow pedals. It's a pretty epic bike. The weight of the bike is 10.5 kilos and 27.3 lbs, or like 10.5 kilos. We use kilos, and yeah, that's my BMX bike. It's pretty light, and it's a pretty strong bike with a solid frame, and it seems to be good weather outside again. It was just a lot of wind. Now everything is awesome. Oh shit. So I'm getting something to drink. It's just so good. Yeah, that's it for the bike. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, bye.